From the outside, it may look like a simple piece of machinery, but there's much more that goes into a Keencut product than meets the eye. The design is simplified, but the engineering is complex and at the forefront of innovation. And that is why we make all our products from scratch in our own factory. For example, did you know that in the steel track head there is a total of 120 different parts, or that our lift and hover and clamping mechanism is sawn, turned, machined, and welded all in-house to guarantee accuracy, precision, and quality for the end user. We even create some of our own screws and bolts to maintain reliability throughout every cut. Every single one of our machines is hand-assembled, calibrated, and test cut by our master craftsmen. Yes, really. Every single machine. No machine is sent out of the door until it meets the high standard set for every Keencut product.